Hey, Xmiri here. I have a great video for you guys here. Today, I'm going to be showing off the PC setup that I currently have, and I guess how much it costs. I guess just for anybody who's interested or curious to what my PC setup is and what it looks like, and just kind of more of an in-depth, kind of like a tour, like or my room in general. But yeah, anyway, make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys share the video and all that good stuff. And if I don't make a video before Christmas again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and have fun and keep being yourself. All right, but yeah. Anyway, let's continue to the video. I got your way. All right, so let's get into. I'm gonna show you guys my PC setup. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so first off, as you can see, I'm totally a fucking weeb, right? I got some anime posters. I got Radiant. Great anime, by the way. It's not that bad at all. Got some Fire Force, Full Metal Alchemist. I got some anime hats there. Got a Cowboy Bebop right there, right? I think it's Jiraiya from Naruto. I think. And then you have a Killua hat. Hunter x Hunter, right? Totally a fucking weeb. All right. Got my closet right here. Uh, and then got a Cowboy Bebop poster. And then I got my anime figurines right here. Gonna add on to that a little bit more. Got some of my jackets, which is Hunter x Hunter. Have a Above and Beyond for bruh. Ain't no way I forgot fucking My Hero Academia. Oh, that just fell off. But yeah, I got My Hero Academia jacket. Um, but yeah, let's get into it. So here I have my PC setup. Very nice, right? Love it. Anyway, let's start off with the monitor. So I have two monitors here. One here is from MSI. This is a 144 hertz monitor. That is not screen tearing. That is effect from the wallpaper engine. So that's not screen tearing. I promise you. Uh, and then with a beautiful cycle board wallpaper, right? Next I have here with this beautiful change can be vicious wallpaper that I commissioned with from Lumi. I'll probably put their commission page on ViewGen down below, right? But here I have a Acer monitor that is a 120 hertz monitor. I do plan on hopefully I'm kind of debating, but getting a third monitor and probably just buy this one again and just have like a Tie Fighter, nice clean setup. All right, flex on everybody. And then down here with this beautiful Hunter x Hunter. Oh my god, it looks so sexy. Beautiful Hunter x Hunter desk pad with the Funko Pops to go along with it. Hell yeah. With the little banner. Ooh. Alright, anyway. Here I have this new keyboard I got recently. I think it's a R8. It's not R8. I think it's from Royal Kuge. Royal Kruge. Right? I think I pronounced that correctly. Very nice keyboard. I might make a video on that later, maybe later this week. And then here I have a HyperX mouse. Um, this is the Pulsefire Core. I have it on 800 DPI. I can go up to I think 1,600, but I always have it on 800, which is the lowest because I don't really need higher than that. I just like it because the grip is my first ever gaming mouse. I originally had two black ones, um, but one died on me. But that one lasted me very long time. The second one had scroll wheel problems, and I used my scroll wheel a lot, so I decided to get another one. But while I was trying to get another one, the black ones were on sale for 36, while the pink and white ones were on sale for 18. So I decided to buy two of the pink and white ones, and that's the first one there, and the backup is under my bed. And then here is I got this also recently, a Huon um, shortcut pad. It's mostly used for people who are using like drawing tablets or drawing applications. It's basically just like a shortcut pad. But I basically got it so I might try to cheat my way out of a stream deck. But I might set this up on stream one day and see how that goes and make a video on it possibly. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe I might make a video on both of these. My headset here and my mic. I need to put some WD-40 on that thing. Holy shit. But here I have my headset, HyperX Cloud Stinger. It was about $60. This is still a really good headset. It feels very flimsy, but this shit's durable. I've dropped this shit so many times. It's not broken yet. It comes with a swivel to mute mic. It's not detachable, but it is swivel to mute. This is the headset mic that you guys love so much on stream, right? This is what it is. But yeah, this lasted me a very long time. I have no complaints with that headset. And then here I have my mic, which came in a kit. I bought the kit, which came with a mic foam and the mic arm. This is the Deity VO7U. And this whole kit costs about $200 just for this mic, right? Just for the mic is like $160, but with the kit it was about $200. And I love this mic. This mic is very good. I might put some WD-40 on this because it's starting to squeak. So yeah, and then here I have a tablet. My mom recently gave this to me because she had 2 tablets. Because she changed her phone like twice, and they gave her a free tablet each time. So I might use that for something, maybe like a sound pad or something. I don't know. I was trying to see if I could use this like a mini monitor, but refresh rate is not that great. So I'll see what I come up with for that. But we have a tablet, but that cost nothing. That was free. And then down here, here's the pre-built, the PC I got here. This is an Acer 50 Acer Nitro 50, 640 model. This originally came with an i5 12 gen. It has a 3050 in there, and originally came with 16 gigabytes of RAM. And I recently upgraded it to 64 gigabytes of RAM. And then earlier this year, I upgraded it to an i7 12 gen. So this could be fun. And then along with that, space was a big concern since I am now thinking about doing YouTube. So this is a 1 terabyte Samsung T7 Shield, I think, which I put all my games on this one because the PC originally came with a 500 gigabyte SSD and a 1 terabyte hard drive, which isn't a lot of space. I mean, for 2 years, I eventually caught up to the max of the capacity, so it lasted me for quite a while. I didn't think I was gonna need a lot more space, but now I do for sure. So this is where I saw my games, and then recently, as well, I bought a Seagate expansion hard drive, and this bad boy right here holds 12 terabytes. I got that for $200 because of Black Friday. So I definitely have to take advantage of that. So I got that hard drive, the keyboard, and this shortcut pad for Black Friday. So I definitely took advantage of that for sure. And then last but not least, I cannot forget the webcam. Here I have a Logitech webcam, 1080. This was when I first bought it. I think it was $100 or 90. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of overhyped, but it's a bestseller. It's a very common webcam that Logitech sells. A lot of people have it, but to be honest, it's not that bad. I mean, like a lot of times webcams are usually in the bottom left of streams, so it's not that bad in that sense. But if you were to blow it up full screen, not the greatest. And it doesn't come with great software in my opinion. But I also have it on a stand, which didn't come with the webcam. If I can not, not damage my wall here in the process, I bought one of a stand so that way I can put the webcam on the stand so it can go over my monitor so that way you guys can get the hand cam experience, right? Put my camera down, that way you guys get the hand cam experience, right? So when I'm, using my mouse on stream, stuff like that, you guys get to see it, right? And then, of course, I have a mouse bungee for the mouse because I don't want the wire to fall off the desk. That's happened a few times. Don't want that to happen. And then here, this desk, my mom got it from the thrift store. I think it was about 70, 75, or at least 50. I think it was like 75 bucks, but it's not bad. Not bad of a desk. I needed this desk because before I streamed, I was like, I need a new desk before anything because my original desk was a lot more smaller and was starting to fall apart. And I had that desk for like a very long time. Like that desk was older than me. I'm not gonna lie to you. So shout out to Mama Mira, which she bought me this desk pad from the local anime store for my birthday. So shout out to Mama Mira. And then here I have my high velocity fan. When it gets hot in this bitch, you guys don't really hear it that much when I do use it because thank God for Voicemeeter. I have a noise gate, and also because that's a dynamic mic, which meaning that sound comes from the tip of the mic and not from the sides. With mixing that with a noise gate makes it harder for you guys to hear the velocity fan. But recently it's been cold as fuck, so I don't have to use this right now. So free AC. I also have a ergonomic office chair, and I bought the headrest separately because it didn't come with a headrest. And then I have one of my jackets as kind of like a cover, and then one of my pillows as like as just padding. So that way, when I slouch in the chair or when I sit in the chair, I'm not sitting in a stiff office chair. So I put a pillow there just for comfort. This is my Bleach jacket there. See Bleach. Gotta love Bleach, man. But yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's my PC setup. Obviously, I didn't buy all of this at one time. But I built it over. Spend money over time. Dedicated a lot of time to it. Yeah, that's all. That's it. Yeah, yippee, yippee, money, fucking money. I need help. I fucking need help.